Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change Start Menu Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. In Windows 11, Microsoft has redesigned the Start menu to be more centered and streamlined. However, you can still customize it to some extent. Here's how to change the Start menu and Windows 11. Now, press the Windows key on the keyboard, then go to the Settings, then Personalization. In the Personalization settings, go ahead and click or find the Start. Under the Start tab, you'll find options to customize the Start menu layout. You can choose between 3 layout options: the More Pins, Default, More Recommendations. Choose the layout that you preferred by clicking on the corresponding radio button. Now, below the layout options, you'll find additional settings that you can customize, such as show recently opened items in Start, jump list in File Explorer, show recently added apps. You can toggle this on. Show most used apps. You can also toggle this on. Show recently opened items in Start, jump list, and File Explorer. Show recommendation for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. Show account related notifications occasionally in Start, and folders. You can also customize the colors of the Start menu by going back, go to Themes, and go to Contrast Themes. You can choose from Aquatic, Desert, Dusk, Night Sky. You can change it here. And as you make changes to the Start menu settings, you'll see a preview of how it looks like. Now, once you've customized the Start menu to your liking, close the settings, and changes will be applied automatically. By following these steps, you can change the layout and customize the appearance of the Start menu and Windows 11 to better suit your preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.